Hi everybody, it's Rachel from Reddick Library, and today we're going to be making a fresh batch of homemade pretzel bread. This recipe will make 2 loaves, 4 bread bowls, or 8 dinner rolls if you so choose. And the ingredients we're going to use today are flour, baking soda, brown sugar, yeast, salt, butter, milk, and some water to proof that yeast. And that is our first step. We're going to mix the water, the yeast, and the brown sugar in the bowl. It takes about 5 minutes. Let that yeast proof till it gets foamy. Then melt your butter and add the milk to it. Once your yeast is proofed, you're going to add that butter to the bowl. Then you're going to add your salt and your flour. So you're going to stir it until it's all just incorporated, till everything's just mixed. And depending on the day, today it was very humid, it may look like this. You don't want that. You're going to want to add a tablespoon of flour until it forms a dough ball, pulls away from the sides, and attaches itself to your hook. You're going to leave that bowl alone for about an hour, cover it, put it in a warm spot, and let it rise for about an hour or until it doubles in size. After that, you're going to start about 4 quarts of water to a boil and slowly, very slowly add the baking soda. It will bubble up, boil over, and explode on your stovetop if you go too fast. Today we're making 2 loaves, so I split the dough in half, dropped one of the loaves into the boiling water. For about 90 seconds, you're going to want to stir it around, make sure every part of that dough ball touches the water. Use a slotted spoon or a skimmer to fish that dough ball out of the boiling water. Add to your pan. You're going to slit it with a knife and bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure you immediately put it in that oven. You don't want to let it rise a second time. You can enjoy it warm. Give it a couple minutes after it comes out of the oven, or let it cool down like we did today, and we decided to make turkey sandwiches out of it. It was delicious, and we hope you enjoy.